Hi, now I'm going to give final touch how you will import the DTS ETL package in your Microsoft Fabric account. First of all, you need to go your home, select your workspace, the new item, select the pipeline or type over here. So you will find the pipeline. Give your name, create. Now the new canvas will open and I already have discussed the canvas detail and everything. I think I removed that video from my this channel or video. Pipeline activity copy assistance. This is the wizard. Practice with sample data. We don't need template and we do not create the template. Just click on the canvas anywhere and you can find the export and the import task. Click the import task. Then load your pipeline or whatever the pipeline you want to load it. This is the latest one. A few minutes back, I have just downloaded from my ETL process. Click open and count 1, 2, 3. Now you need to set your warehouse and the lakehouse because I'm not using the template. That's why I need to set the warehouse and the lakehouse. So just click over here, browse. If you create your own house, you can select that warehouse over here, but inside you have to create the rest of the schema like tables and everything. It is a bit slow. I'm using the one internet connection. I don't know why it is slow, or either it is my internet connection is slow. I have no idea about it. DWH24 is my data warehouse, and I can select my lakehouse as well because data is loading from the Parquet table to the file to the delta table, then delta table I'm moving to the staging table, and staging table to after cleaning I'm pushing my data to the data warehouse. And I think use this template. Now the template is ready. My this email address will be used. This is dummy email address. Do not send any email or try to contact on this email address because not the email address. If you want to contact me on my WhatsApp number or on the channel or give me a ping on my WhatsApp or Twitter account. This has been imported successfully. If I can run, I can do this, and I need to just save this pipeline. This is gathering your new changes. If anything left or missing, then the saving process should not be completed. This pipeline is saved successfully, means the all the validity check has been done. Now I need to do some housekeeping stuff. Pipeline demo. Yes, I don't need this. And discard. This. Card. Master Love Island. All right, thank you for joining me. Tata.